Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session to prepare a payment approval note. A payment approval note is the confirmation after we have approved the PO and prepared the GRN, that is the goods received notes. And this is the final step for paying to the vendor. The preparation of PAN becomes a source of information for preparing the purchase vouchers for financial transactions. So let us see the steps to prepare a payment approval note. Click on the button MSTAR and select the module purchase. Name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you are now working in the purchase module. Click on the button activities and select the screen payment approval note. As the screen opens, click on the box next to the PAN type and you will see two options, advance against PO or payment against PO. Select any two options as applicable for preparing the PAN. Next, click on the box next to the supplier name and you will see the list of all the suppliers. Click on the supplier against which the PAN needs to be prepared. As you select the supplier ID gets displayed on screen. Next, enter the date of PAN in the PAN date field. The date has to be entered in the date, that is day, month and year format. Click on the box next to the cost center and select a cost center. This is a mandatory requirement for saving the PAN. After this, click on the add button and a row gets added in the grid below. Then click on the button select GRN and the list of all the GRNs which have been prepared for the selected supplier will appear in the window. It is showing us the GRN date, PO number, PO date, invoice number and the invoice date from the GRN. Click on the row of the GRN and the details are displayed in the main screen. The grid is now showing us the serial number, the GRN number, GRN date, PO number and PO date from the GRN, approved amount from the GRN, invoice number and invoice date. Enter the invoice amount as per the PAN. Enter the requested date of release of PAN and enter any remarks as required in the remarks column. In the remarks column, you can enter maximum 100 characters in this field and both text and numbers can be entered, and special characters only limited to comma, dot, slash, dash and plus sign can be entered. After entering these details or updating the details for the GRN for PAN, enter any other additions if to be added to the payment approval note. In this, you can enter maximum 10 characters and up to 2 decimal places it can be entered. Numbers can only be entered in any other additions. Then enter any other remarks for the payment approval note if required. In this, you can enter maximum 100 characters and both text and numbers can be entered. Again, limited special characters can only be entered. You would also notice that the net payable amount have changed and has added the amount entered in the any other additions field. In case required, you can also enter any discount etc. if applicable for the PAN. This can be entered in the grid provided under less column where the deduction categories are mentioned. So in case there is any advance payment already given against the PO or GRN, it can be entered here. So enter a value if required. Maximum 13 characters can be entered along with numbers up to 2 decimal places. Enter any remarks if required. In this, you can enter 50 characters and both text and numbers can be entered with limited special characters only allowed. In case any BG, SD or EMD amount is applicable, the same can be entered in the value column and remarks can also be entered. Incidental charges can be entered, other charges can be entered, or any payment discount, if applicable, can be entered, and the TDS amount can also be entered, along with the respective remarks. In all these fields, in the value column, 13 characters with numbers up to 2 decimal places can be entered, and in the remarks column, 50 characters are allowed with both text and numbers entry allowed, and limited special characters can only be entered. After entering these details as applicable, check on the boxes in the field List of document attached. So, click on the box next to the specific document type for information. Enter any other document if available or applicable. Maximum 50 characters can be entered in this field and both text and numbers are allowed, with special characters again limited to comma, dot, slash, dash and plus sign. In the prepared by field, the name of the employee whose OMV card is used to prepare the PAN gets displayed by default. After entering these details, click on button Save, and the data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Now, the saved payment approval note will be available for viewing in the screen. For this, click on the button View, and in the window that opens, select the PAN number, and the details as saved in the PAN appears on the main screen. So click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Now let us see how to update a payment approval note which is already created. For that, click on the View button, select the payment approval note, and the details as last saved appears in the main screen. Make the updations as required. And as per the updations made, the net payable amount will get updated. Make any other updations as required and click on button Save. The data saving confirmation message is received and the PAN is updated. Repeat these steps as required. And thank you for watching this video.